let's go.
Dance with me before
Don't
I leave.
tell me what to do.
Please.
You're not my father.
Can you dance with me?
Nope.
I'm your father.
No, I don't want any beads. Thanks.
I'm gonna walk with you.
No, you're not.
I'm walking with you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're going to jail.
More fun to scare people. Oh, behind you. They don't care. How'd you do that? Yeah.
Ew. No, you don't. Woo. Online. Huh? Okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I will protect you. I will protect you. I will protect you.
Holy shit, you scared the shit out of me.
Come here. Come here. I need your hair. No, it's okay. It's okay. Look. Hey, that's mine. He's gonna eat your hair. Okay, you can have it. Oh, okay. I'm on keto diet. I can have that. Hey, come here. Come here.
Look at your makeup.
Come here.
Stop.
Come here.
I don't like your eyes.
Come here.
Austin, want to take a picture?
It's almost time.
Oh, shit.
You got tummy ache? You got tummy ache? Tum.
Hey, rock and roll all night?
Nope.
Yes?
How old are you?
However old you want me to be.
Huh?
However old you want me to be.
No, not you, him. I only hear like people that are like 45 comparing to kids.
I just enjoy good music.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right.
Behind you. No, stop. I'm so scared. He's the nice one.
No, I'm not nice.
Stop! He's a nice one. It's okay. It's okay. He's nice.
Come on, let's go through the haunted woods.
Give me some of
I
this.
should probably let my
No, I'm gonna eat it. Wow. I'm eating it.
Oh,
That boy had soft teeth. Soft teeth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, soft.
Hey, garlic girl.
Did I scare you?
Hmm?
You said I smell like garlic.
Yeah, still.
Bro.
You got soft teeth too.
Soft teeth?
Yeah, that's what I said.
What does soft teeth mean?
They're soft. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it to you. They're just soft.
Are you recording me?
I don't know.
Bro.
Don't wave at them. It still goes to one person.
Oh.
Yeah, little old man.
What do you mean a little old
A
man?
little old man. He's in a house, dude.
Wait, is it the one I passed by in
No,
there? Oh.
different one. You work really hard at making those teeth soft.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Just naturally happens.
Yeah?
Do you brush your teeth with like pudding or something?
No?
All right. Should probably work on that, man.
What about him? How does he brush his teeth?
Who? Him?
Yeah.
I don't see any teeth.
You don't?
What is?
I don't know.
They like
no,
this
never
all
mind,
the
never
time?
mind.
You have no idea.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I still got a picture with you though. You still took a
Yeah,
picture with garlic girl.
yeah.
Did I smell like garlic then?
Probably. I don't know. You expect me to remember something from a year ago?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I just waited for this moment for you to be like, "Hey, remember?" And I'm like, "Yeah." You still smell like garlic. Though. I just want a piece of it. Give me some. Give it. Give it. Give it. Oh.